On 15 August 2024, as India celebrates 77 years of independence from British rule, we reflect on the towering figures like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose, as well as on the countless heroes whose sacrifices and determination brought us freedom. Among this was Ashfaqulla Khan, a man whose bravery and dedication to the cause of independence exemplify the indomitable spirit of India's freedom fighters. Born in 1900 in Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh, Ashfaqulla Khan emerged as a fearless revolutionary who fervently opposed British rule. His journey into the heart of India's struggle for freedom began with his dissatisfaction following the withdrawal of the non-cooperation movement by Mahatma Gandhi after the Chauri Chaura incident in 1922. Determined to continue the fight, Khan co-founded the Hindustan Republic Association in 1924 to achieve independence through armed revolution. The Hindustan Republic Association's most fearless act was Kakori train robbery on 9 August 1925. This meticulously planned operation aimed to loot British government funds to finance their revolutionary activities. Alongside comrades like Ram Prasad Bismil, Rajendra Lahiri and Chandrasekhar Azad, Khan executed the daring heist, capturing the attention and wrath of the British authorities. Despite their initial success, the revolutionaries soon found themselves pursued by a relentless police campaign. Khan's story took a dramatic turn as he evaded capture, moving from one city to another. His journey saw him working under a pseudonym in Banaras and Delhi, always a step ahead of the authorities. However, his trust in a former friend proved to be his downfall. Betrayed and captured on 7 December 1926, Khan faced trial with unwavering resolve. The prolonged court proceedings in Lucknow captivated the nation as the public watched the fate of this brave man unfold. Ashfaqulla Khan, along with his compatriots, was sentenced to death. On 19 December 1927, he was executed in Faizabad jail, a martyr to the cause of India's freedom. His death, alongside Bismil Lahiri and Roshan Singh, was a dark moment, yet it also ignited a renewed vigor within the revolutionary movement. The HRA soon evolved into Hindustan Socialist Republican Army, embracing socialist and Marxist ideologies as they continued their struggle. Khan's legacy, immortalized in films like Rang De Basanti, where he was portrayed by Kunal Kapoor, remains a testament to his courage, loyalty and unwavering commitment to India's independence. His story, like that of many other freedom fighters, is a reminder of the sacrifices made for precious freedom we enjoy today. As we honor 77 years of independence, let us remember the countless heroes like Ashfaqulla Khan who fought courageously. Their spirit continues to inspire millions, urging us to cherish and protect the hard-won freedom they so dearly valued.